Welcome to this instructional video on installing an Arnott Air Suspension Compressor for Land Rover Range Rover, L322. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's ensure you have all the necessary information before starting. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by removing the floor cover and spare tire in the rear cargo area to expose the vehicle's air suspension compressor housing. Now remove the 4 bolts holding the compressor cover to the vehicle. Then remove the 2 foam pads and the compressor from the vehicle. Next, remove the valve block from the compressor bracket. Then remove the airline and airline fitting from the valve block. These are located next to the pressure sensor. Now remove the lower airline from the compressor. Press and hold the quick connect fitting while pulling out on the airline. Next, disconnect the 2 electrical connectors from the compressor assembly to the vehicle. Remove the 4 mounting bolts holding the compressor assembly to the vehicle. Now carefully remove the compressor assembly. For the air suspension compressor assembly installation, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Start by installing the compressor assembly into the vehicle using the pre-installed mounting hardware. Now connect the pre-installed air fitting to the valve block. Make sure to not over-tighten the airline fitting. Now install the valve block onto the mounting bracket. Then insert the airline from the valve block into the air fitting, making sure it is properly seated. Next, connect the 2 electrical connectors from the compressor to the vehicle's wiring harness. Secure the air hoses and wiring harness to the mounting bracket. Now finish the installation by reinstalling the air compressor cover, foam pads, spare tire, and cargo area floor in the reverse order of removal using the factory mounting hardware. If replacing a Hitachi air suspension compressor with the Arnott new compressor, the vehicle must be reprogrammed by your Land Rover dealer. Neglecting to do so can result in compressor failure and void warranty. Lastly, it is very important to replace the air suspension compressor relay, which is located on the right side of the rear cargo area. Remove the compressor relay and replace it with the unit provided in this kit. Failure to replace this relay can cause compressor damage or void warranty. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on installing the Arnott Air Suspension Compressor for Land Rover Range Rover, L322. Feel free to contact us with any questions.